Embark on an exploration of dynamic visualizations known as heat maps, offering invaluable insights into the spatial distribution of COVID-19 fatalities. Witness the power of heat map analysis in deciphering mortality patterns. To begin with, navigate to the Analysis tool and initiate the process by selecting Add Upload. Choose Upload Vector File to input your data for a detailed examination. To create the heat map, open the layer style by clicking on the action menu of the layer, then select Edit Style, and finally choose Heat Map Style. Next, select the attribute for visualization and click Save Style. Make your map user-friendly. Label points easily by using the Label feature option in the Action button of the layer. Click on the pencil icon to rename the map if desired. Then, click Save Map to apply the changes and keep your data organized. Share your findings with others effortlessly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@mapog.com. Explore our range of innovative products for more exciting possibilities.